Hi friends, this is Najam with you again. Today I'm going to talk about Google Trends. This is one of the tools provided by Google, and this helps you to find about a trend of any particular topic, product, or brand. If you want to know if the trend about that particular topic is going up or if this is going down, with the help of Google Trends we can get to know about it. So how to reach there? You can just Google about Google Trends and then click the first search results, that is trends.google.com/trends, or just you can go to the address bar and type google.com/trends and hit return. You will land on that particular page. Explore what the world is searching. So let's say I am curious to know about the trend for digital marketing. Now I'm considering digital marketing as a topic. So I just come here and type digital marketing and hit return. By default, it shows you the last 12 months trend, and specifically for the US. I'm curious to know that during last 12 months, which countries around the globe are more curious about that topic. So I have selected worldwide from here, and if I scroll down, you can see that the trend is going a bit up, right, during last 12 months. And we can also see there is a list of the countries who currently during last 12 months, these are the top 5 countries who are actively searching about digital marketing. So I can see India stands at number 5th position and UAE is on 4th position, and then there are some other countries as well. Even when I scroll down, I will be able to see what are the trending searches on that topic during last 12 months. So I can see that these are the topics that most of the people are currently searching about it, like a digital marketing trend 2019. Okay, why digital marketing course for MBA graduates, digital marketing agency, Bangkok, Thailand. And there are up to 25 top queries are available. Even this can be helpful to know, let's say if you are a content writer or if you are a blogger and you want to know what are the trending topics to write about on a particular topic, this can be quite helpful for you. Now let's say this is showing worldwide for last 12 months, but I can even select for up to last 5 years, not only 5 years, but from 2004 till today, I will be able to know about the trend of this particular topic. So you can see till 2012, 2013, very less searches were happening on that topic, but now you can see it is growing on a regular basis. Still I can see it is growing. So hope you find this tool helpful. So it's not only about this particular topic, you can use any other search term. Let's say I replace it with Facebook. So I can see worldwide, oh, Facebook is declining, right? I can see that this is going down. So that was on peak till November, December 2012. And since then, Facebook is going down, right? Even as a search term, or even you can select as a social networking service. So it's almost same, right? Now let's say instead of that, I want to type, I want to search about Instagram. So let's say I selected Instagram as a social networking service. And you can, oh wow, so you can see that comparatively, as Facebook is declining, but Instagram is going up, right? And even if you want to compare the same with some similar product, similar service, for example, I want to know about Snapchat. So I just entered Snapchat. let's say as a search term, because I cannot see social networking service here. Oh, so we can compare that Instagram is going up, Snapchat is quite stable but not growing, I can say. Now, even if you want to include something like Twitter again, let's say I've considered Twitter as a social networking site. Or let's say I want to remove this Snapchat. I can just remove it. Now I'm comparing Instagram against Twitter. So even the Twitter was dominating, but from 2013 onwards, it went down. But I can say from August 2016 till today, it's quite stable. But as compared to Instagram, Instagram is dominating. Okay, even let's say I include, for example, LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is quite stable, but I can see that Instagram comparatively is doing much better. Hope you find this tutorial quite helpful, and you can use it for any topic relevant to your interest, relevant to your industry. You can select any country, any period. So hope that helps. Thank you very much, and bye for now.